Indian Navy will soon get counter-drone systems for its warships like the INS Vikramaditya to clip the wings and the designs of Pakistan and China. Hello, at News 18 we have accessed a tender document issued by the Indian Navy on August 29th, which reveals that the Navy has decided to buy such systems for Rs 490 crore, given that the threat from enemy drones exists on the sea as well as the various bases of Navy in the country. The Indian Navy will be spending Rs 490 crore to procuring these counter-drone systems for its warships like the INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant and the forces bases ashore to combat these threats from enemy drones coming from Pakistan, China as well as terrorist outfits. The tender document says that the Ministry of Defence intends to procure these systems which will lead to soft kill of enemy drones for use on board the Indian naval warships and the establishments ashore. This is significant as enemy drones have been a major concern area for both the Army and the Air Force establishments in the country, which led to the procurement of anti-drone systems by these forces. The involvement of drones was suspected in various nefarious designs by our enemies in Pakistan and China when it came to the bases of the Army and the Air Force. But the Navy has also decided to buy these systems now, given that the threat from enemy drones exists on the sea as well as the various Navy bases in the country. The Indian Navy has two big aircraft carriers, the INS Vikrant and the INS Vikramaditya, 8 warships and various other destroyers. The counter-drone systems will be procured from an Indian vendor. As per the document, the system should be capable of installation and operation from a ship, operation from establishments ashore, including a mobile variant, and should have 360-degree coverage through integral radar for aerial and surface targeting. The radar should also have the capability for detection and tracking of mini or micro drones at 5 kilometers or more distance and intercept them while identifying the direction of the drone signals. A naval anti-drone system has in fact been developed also by the DRDO with the help of the Indian Navy and is being presently manufactured by the Bharat Electronics Limited. Now, how this system will work? The system would have the directional ability to jam frequencies used for drone communication and would be capable of carrying out threat evaluation, the target classification, whether it's a nano drone, a mini drone, a micro drone. It will involve target prioritization, engagement planning, generating a fire control solution and the assignment of targets to weapons with the operator control. The counter-drone system can also engage multiple targets and perform a kill assessment. The response time from the assignment of the target to the engagement should be such that it is able to achieve threat neutralization prior reaching the desired minimum interception range, the tender document says. The Navy in fact has its own drone capacity, and the Navy has been using 2 General Atomics manufactured Sea Guardian surveillance drones on lease since 2020 after the Galwan Valley clash between the Indian and Chinese troops. The government has also been planning to buy 31 armed Predator drones from the US to further enhance the capabilities of the Army, IEF and the Navy.